Draoi, the Irish word for Druid. In ancient Ireland, Druids were part of the religious and educated elite of Celtic society. Since they left no writings, most of what we know about them comes from Roman authors and later medieval Irish texts, making much of the information uncertain. Although those accounts were biased, there is some agreement amongst scholars that Druids acted as ritual specialists and advisors to rulers, and that they also served as legal, poetic, or in healing roles in early Irish society. The medieval texts sometimes described these rituals taking place around the Celtic calendar year. The festivals, such as the Festival of Beltane, which means bright fire, or in modern Irish, Beltane means the month of May. These accounts describe the Druid, with great incantations overseeing cattle being driven between two fires, as a protective ritual before they go out to summer pasture. The Draoi evokes Ireland in the late Iron Age, before the arrival of Christianity, almost 2,000 years ago. Their many roles and unwritten knowledge give them a lasting aura of mystery and fascination. Draoi, the Irish word for Druid.